Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Oh, hi. I'm a mess.
No.
Because it's breakfast time, and I basically haven't done anything except drop my son off and then come back and think about breakfast.
Well, now we're putting together a delicious but pretty simple breakfast.
Okay, so this is from our premiere cookbook.
Ooh.
Our only cookbook.
Yes.
I
don't think we're following the recipe exactly, but
We're not, but we're
taking inspo from it.
Yeah, we're pretty close.
We are making, hold on, I'll show you, a tofu scrambled brunch bowl.
Yes.
There we go.
All right, so when we wrote this cookbook, we were commissioned to write it in a healthy way. There was like guidelines and everything.
Yeah, we were a little restricted on what ingredients we could use, and we had to make everything very simple and easy.
Right.
Which is fine.
It's still simple and easy, but I'm using salt and oil, which we didn't use in the cookbook, really.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got tofu scramble with other goodness. Did we have tomatoes in there as well? Should we throw some tomatoes in?
We didn't, but we should.
Yeah. Okay, I have some right here. Let's put these here.
Yummy.
Yeah, this is good. Okay, I put a little spray on the bottom of the sheet.
Mm-hmm.
Oop. Hi. All right, first things first. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. This is olive oil that I got for Christmas. Grazie.
Oh.
It's very nice. I've been using a lot of it. All right, so I've got some olive oil on the tofu. I'm going to do some nooch. Oh, so delicious. I just have been putting nooch on everything lately, and it's been so good. Yeah. We're also going to do a little bit of this Tabitha Brown garlic seasoning. It's called Very Good Garlic. Love it. Put some of that on. I'm going to put some of that on here as well.
Tabitha?
Yeah. Because it's my business.
That's right.
And then I don't think that has much salt, so I'm also going to add a little bit of salt.
Yeah, aren't her seasonings from Sam's Club salt-free?
I think so.
The ones that we got there?
I think.
I know the one that I have is. I don't know if yours is.
So I think mine basically is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that smells so good.
It smells really good.
Tabitha, girl, that garlic is amazing. Ooh! It's invading my nostrils, my nose holes, and it's amazing. Way. Yes. All right, so I'm going to put Himalayan salt. Get this off my fingers. I hate when I have stuff on my fingers. It drives me insane. The original recipe had turmeric and apple cider vinegar, but we only added that in place of the salt to give it that salty taste. So I'm not going to put it on for this. But we're going to give this a toss. I've got my oven heating up to like 390 right now. It's a convection oven, so basically it's a air fryer. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is so good.
It looks very good.
I'm going to make a little spot for it to move in. Have a family. Right here.
There we go.
Oh, so lovely.
That's so beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, this is really a feast for the eyes as well as for the mouth and stomach. All right. I want to make sure I get all of that golden goodness off and on there.
You don't want to leave any seasoning behind.
Heck no! All right. This isn't up to temperature yet, but I'm just going to pop it in because why not? Oh, get off of him. All right. Oh, my goodness. See you in like 15, 20 minutes.
Woo!
Oh, my goodness.
It looks so good.
It smells good. It looks good. I got my Nando's peri-peri waiting to go. We're going to do bowls. You could do wraps.
You could do wraps, but we're going to do bowls today.
Yeah.
If I was this food, I'd be like, everyone, look how good I look.
I know.
It looks delicious.
This is a delicious girl breakfast.
Yes. Girl breakfast.
Because we are girls.
Yes. We're ladies.
No other reason.
We're just joking. If you are not up on the internet trends about like girl lunch and girl dinner.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, gotta get so much tofu. Ooh, it would be good with like some onion too, like red onion.
I was gonna do onion, but then sometimes the onion, you need longer for the onion to cook than
true.
the rest of it, and I hate crunchy onion.
Yeah.
But I was looking for my caramelized onion salt, but I gave up. Because I didn't feel like...
For you.
That's all right. Because I didn't feel like taking all of the spices out of the cabinet, because...
I don't blame you.
It's packed. This is one cabinet. This is another cabinet. This is another cabinet. All spices, basically. Well, the bottom one was like vitamins, and on the other one.
Yeah. Let's taste.
Let's do it. Please don't burn yourself, because that literally... look at the steam coming off.
I know.
That literally just came out. You're going to have to blow like the wind tomorrow, which is going to be 50 miles per hour.
Is it really?
Hold on to your car doors.
Oh, God. Yeah. Let's try tofu. This is always my favorite part.
I know, but that looks super hot.
I'm not burning myself.
All right.
No. That is delicious.
Tabitha.
Yeah, it's a little bit different than we usually do it.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's so good. Look at that.
Let's get a pepper.
Wonderful.
I think the potatoes and the tomatoes would kind of like kill me right now.
Oh,
temperature-wise.
I think so.
So we'll stay away from that for a minute.
All right, be careful of the peppers too, though. They're deceptive, because the wetter the food, I feel like the hotter the food.
Very good.
It's a nice change. We don't usually do this for breakfast.
This is great for winter. It just feels so like hearty.
Yes.
Ooh, that's nice. And it all feels very fresh too.
Yes, I like fresh.
This is like fridge to table fresh.
This year, I didn't make any resolutions, but I did tell Mark that I was going to definitely cook more whole foods this year, and rely less upon frozen foods.
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
And don't forget to freeze your tofu. It changes the texture.
Yes, it does.
It makes it more meatier, chewier.
I love a chewy tofu.
Me too.
Oh my god, it's so good. I just got some tomato juice.
I love a roasted tomato.
Me too. Okay, before I eat my whole entire breakfast. Thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this. And
try it.
And try it. Let us know if you do. And until next time, tomorrow, much love.